surfers. Yan, ito si Jane. Talaga kita yung hanip sa sa hike. Okay, this is Wendy. Hi. Okay, so we are going to Dragon's Back. I mean, we're going to a Big Wave Bay via Dragon's Back. Okay, let's go. So she took the photo of the sign. Okay, we start going up to Dragon's Back. It's 1 kilometer walk. Sisiu. Very easy. You see, these are bamboos. Okay. Okay.
Ano mas mahirap dito? Ang babaw naman. Ba yan?
Okay, this is the overlooking.
Red and white. Blue and yellow. Red.
I know. Thanks also for the sponsor of my, cap and my hoodie.
Oh, that's
Okay.
That is the
Ano yan, Jan? Jan Mars? There's this other way there. Okay. Other hikers, the hikers go there. Going up.
I took you many nice photos. Why you don't upload it?
So nice. And that's the bus going to Taiwan. And it's so nice here. Look at the view. It's over there. Oh wow, what is that? See? Okay, the parachute. So,
No, is that parachute?
what is it? Parasite? Okay. Go, Jane. Hindi. Do you want me to count the steps? Wow, it's going up the hill. Okay. Look at that view. And it's going down. And that side
Oh, may camera na to.
having a pose. It's so nice.
你想打橫打直啊？
Okay, I'll just...
電話
I don't know what that place is.
打直電。
This place is Stanley. Stanley. And then at the back, did you see that Taitam Reservoir? That's Taitam Reservoir. Over there. Can you see that? That's Taitam Reservoir. Okay. Oh, it's so nice here. So over here. Over here, Wendy, it says here.
Yes.
So we need to go there. Okay, that's Dragon Back. We're gonna go there. Look. Okay, it says Dragon's Back because it really looks like a dragon's back. Beautiful. Nice view. Okay, so that's Taitam Reservoir. Okay, and that one is Dragon's Back. We're going up there later. Can you looks like a dragon's back. Okay, we start to hike to Dragon's Back. Okay, it's just the tail side yet. Dragon's Back, here we are. So here people are hiking with masks. So we really need to wear masks. We really need to wear a mask even in a hike, even in the mountain. Look at them. Perfect. It's going up now. The first hill. Then we started to go that. Okay. Then the second hill of the Dragon's Back. Okay. So this is going down. Okay. To the third hill of the Dragon's Back. Now it's going down and going up there. Nice ang place nito. Super nice. Diba? May dagat, may bundok. Look at that. Beautiful Chico. That's the side. And it's a cliff. It's over here. Careful. Going down and up.
Hiking.
Hey. Okay, so we're done with the third hill and it's going to the fourth. Oh, it's the fourth. It's going up there. And that's the... Oh. She's a mother with a baby. Labasa. Okay. Yan po ay dagat na. Yan. Tapos dagat na po dyan. Tapos papasok dito. Dyan po nakatambay yung mga ayate. Yan. And we're going up there now. See? It's going up. Oh, diba sobrang ganda ng daan niya. Parang super trim siya. That hill is the tallest of Dragon's Back. That's the tallest hill of Dragon's Back. So in Dragon's Back, it's going up, down, up, down. Hey guys, it's going up now. The tallest hill of Dragon's Back. Okay, it's night time.
You're almost there. 1公里半。
Wow, it really is so nice. Look at that. the big waves. Yeah. So we're going up one more hill. It's a video side. To go to big waves. Up again. Grandpa is playing. Oh. He's playing a remote control. Big wave. The surfers.